Hi, it's Sunday morning and it's not even 7 a.m. and the sun is just coming up over the houses. It's freezing cold. I wish I had grabbed my mitts on the way out, but it's so gorgeous, so quiet, and there are so many animals. Sometimes I just like to take a walk and chill. You know, today's video is going to be kind of a drag because I don't like what I'm going to review, and it was so darn expensive. I love when trees look like this, no leaves on them. It looks so Tim Burton-y, you know? If anyone needs fallen leaves or squirrels, just let me know. I can ship them out to you. So far I've only seen 2 houses decorated for Halloween. Alright, I think I've chilled enough. My hands are so frozen they're hurting me, so maybe we should get inside and start the video. From Chanel's new holiday line, L'Eyeshadow, I only picked up the blush and just one of the eyeshadows. I didn't feel like getting all the eyeshadows because they're shades that I already have in my collection, and man, these are expensive. I'm gonna start with the blush, and you see it comes in this shishi poo poo little sleevey thing. The shade name for this blush is Illuminating Blush Powder. It also comes with a shishi poo poo brush. It's very soft and it's arched to fit back into the compact. I wonder how much these two things drive up the cost because does anyone keep them? So the line is called L'Eyeshadow, which means golden chain, so self-explanatory. And you can see already that this is a very luminous blush, and I think I have to turn the lighting down. I'm actually not happy with the lighting here, so let's go somewhere else. I find it's hard to know how much light to use because it seems like it looks different on every device. What I do is I love to film the product when it's brand new, and then I use it for a couple of days, and then I come back and do a voiceover. Bob, get out of here. Let's look at the eyeshadow. It comes with a shishi poo poo sleeve too. This is in the shade Cuivre Rose, which means leather rose, which makes no sense. The packaging is just gorgeous. Imagine getting these as a gift. Oh, there, the problem solved. I love the shade of this eyeshadow, but if you put too much, you're gonna have texture. I put it all over my lid. It did transfer up. I had more above my lid than on my lid. Very little fallout. I thought it would match so nicely with the blush. Okay, so I'm swatching the blush on the left and the eyeshadow on the right. But here's the problem. No matter how many different ways I try to swatch this to really show you the shade, it's not going to make a difference because after about half an hour, all the pigmentation is gone and all you have left on your cheeks are these big chunks of iridescent glitter. So I did what Michelle Wong did in her video. I took this Sonia G Smooth Buffer brush, which is a great brush by the way, and I tried to buff out the big chunks of glitter like she did, but that didn't work too well because it just brushed away the color, and again, I was just left with these big chunks of glitter on my cheeks. But this is all just my opinion. If you have this line, please tell me what I'm doing wrong. I'm going to keep working with it, and I love the packaging, I love the shades, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So for me anyway, these are a big fail. I know it's not a huge deal, it's just that they were so expensive. I'm not getting upset about it. There are worse things going on in the world. My dear friends in the US, please stay safe. We are glued to the news. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.